Hi viewers, today Thevenin's theorem. Statement: any two-terminal linear bilateral network consisting of DC sources and a number of resistors can be replaced by equivalent DC voltage sources Vth in series with resistor Rth. So whatever voltage, whatever resistance present, so that resistance and voltage sources can be replaced by Rth, Vth and Rth. So for the Vth, Rth can be connected in parallel. In series, connected in series. For this, it is a diagram. This is the diagram. It is applied voltage Ra, Rb, Rc are the resistance. RL is a load resistance. Okay, so same story is given. And next, what we have to do? We have to calculate Thevenin's equivalent network. We have to calculate. For this, there are the steps. First step: identify two terminals of network between which it is to be Thevenized. Redraw the circuit keeping two terminals open. See, I have identified the terminals. See, let the final terminals. This is and this is this is identified. Now we have to keep it is open. See, it is opened with Vth. Okay, it is a V applied voltage. Okay, next step 2. In step 2, what we have to find? We have to find voltage here. So find open circuit voltage. So just now we have opened the circuit. Open circuit voltage between two terminals identified in the step 1. This is Thevenin's equivalent voltage Vth. So this is the diagram. In this diagram, it is a voltage Ra, Rb, Rc. And see here, according to Ohm's law, we generally across Rb, the voltage it is Vb. Voltage is equals to current into resistance. Okay, so here current let it is flowing Ib and resistance is Rb. So Vb is equals to Ib Rb. But whatever voltage present here, the same voltage will be appeared here. So that means it is Vb. Then Vb is nothing but Vth. Vth or Thevenin is equals to Ib Rb. Let me calculate Ib. For Ib, see, the current is flowing like this. Here, whatever current is flowing, the same current will flow here. Why? Because current cannot flow in RC because here it is open. So current can flow only here. So here let it is Ib, the same current will flow here. So current is flowing Rn and Rb. So Ib is equals to voltage by applied voltage by Ra plus Rb. Next, Vth is equals to voltage by, and see, this is kept in this equation. Now this is equals to Vth. So we get this one. Next, step 3. In step 3, see the step 3. Redraw the original circuit, replacing all the voltage sources with the internal resistance and all the current sources with open circuit. In given circuit, there is no current sources to open. So, but we have the voltage sources here. See, voltage sources. So it is shortened. See, it is shortened. And Ra, Rb, Rc. Now, if you observe these 3 parallel, okay, that is the next. So this is the diagram. For this diagram, from this diagram, we are going to calculate resistance, total resistance. For this, step 4 will be used. Step 4 is what? Find resistance between the two terminals here, between the two terminals here, it is 2. Between two terminals identified in step 1, it is Thevenin's equivalent resistance. So it is Thevenin's equivalent resistance. Thevenin's equivalent resistance, and it is denoted by Rth. Now I am going to calculate Rth. For this diagram, from rather diagram, above diagram. See, this diagram is I am drawing, sorry, without this one. Keep it as open like this only, and here it is RA, RB, RC. Now see, these two are current. If current flows here, then current will divide here. That means some amount of current flow here, some amount of current flow here. So that means these two are in parallel, and it is their combination is series with RC. So here RA is parallel to RB, and but series with RC. So like this I am writing, and it is what, nothing but it is a Rth. See, Rth is what? Rth is equals to RA is parallel to RB, and their combination is series with RC. RA plus RB generally can be written as it is 1 by RA plus 1 by RB, and if you take simplification and let it is as 1 by R1. General formula for suppose generally we write it is like this. If it is Rth is equals to R1 plus RC. R1 is their combination. Okay, R1 is what? Its combination, and this can be calculated from this formula. 1 by R1 is equals to, so cross multiplication, RB plus RA by RA RB, and reverse it. R1 is equals to, and it is also reversed, RA RB by RA plus RB. See, RB plus RA can be written as RA plus RB, and substitute this R1 value here, then Rth is equals to, R1 is what? RA plus RB by, sorry, RA into RB by RA plus RB plus RC. So this is the Rth formula. So here we got Rth, okay, and here in this equation we got Vth. So for Rth and Vth we are going to draw one circuit diagram finally, that is Thevenin's equivalent circuit. So see, fifth step, draw Thevenin's equivalent circuit with the values of Rth and Vth obtained in the step 2 and step 4. So diagram C. Two batteries, it's mean two batteries is taken. It is V Thevenin's, it is R Thevenin's, and this is RL. Okay, see, this is equivalent diagram. And if you want to know the current through this current, I Thevenin's can be calculated. Voltage by resistance means not only current flows here and also here, RTH plus RL. So this is also, if asked in the examination to calculate current through load, it is generally current through load, right? Current through load is IL is equals to VH by Rh plus RL. So this is the story, and next we will meet with the new topics, that is Nortons in the next video, Nortons. Thank you friends.